You are welcome to this channel, Yoruba Gbode. In this video for today, we just want to look at words with the same spelling but pronounced differently, and they are having different meaning. Why? Because Yoruba language is an accented language. For example, let's look at this word. Garden egg. Time. Calabash. And 200. Let me go over it again. Calabash. Time. Garden egg. 200. You will see there are different words in English language. But when it comes to Yoruba language, the four of them will give you the same spelling but pronounced differently. Calabash, English language. The same spelling in Yoruba language. Igba, calabash. Igba. Now, time in Yoruba language. Igba, I-B-A. But when it comes to pronunciation, it is not Igba as garden egg, but we call it Igba, time. And when it comes to garden egg, it is still the same spelling. I-B-A. But now, not Igba, but Igba. The same thing goes with 200. 200. The same spelling. I-B-A. But now, we are not pronouncing it Igba like calabash. We are not pronouncing it Igba, time. We are not pronouncing it Igba, garden egg. But 200 means Igba. Igba. You will see the four of them has the same spelling but pronounced differently. Now, what makes the difference now is the tone that we put on it. In Yoruba language, we can use high tone, we can use low tone, and we can use the middle tone. That is why we have just 3 of them. Now, if you want to really understand why we are having these different pronunciation, you just have to visit my video on Yoruba Tones. There I explain the 3 parts of the tones that we have and how we place it on our language to differentiate the meaning, even though they have the same spelling. So let's just go over the 4 that we taught today. Calabash, Igba, Re, Mi, time, Igba, garden egg, Igba, and 200, Igba, Re. If you find this video useful, subscribe, like it, share it, till I bring more of these words your way again in my next video. See you.